Good afternoon, sir.
Yeah, good afternoon, sir. Very good afternoon.
How are
How
you?
are you?
Yes, I'm doing well. Thanks for asking. What about you?
Yeah, I'm also quite well. Thank you for connecting, and you have given your precious to time me. Yeah, that's what I want to thank you. I want to say you thank you so much. Yeah,
Yes, sir. Welcome, welcome. You are very happy.
yeah, yes, yeah, yeah. We are meeting since first time, so we can introduce ourselves. So first, introduce yourself, sir.
Okay. So I am introducing myself in short because in every video, I give my introduction. Okay.
Okay.
So hello, sangappa, sir. I'm Sanjeev Kumar. Basically, I'm from Durga district of Chhattisgarh. I'm a plastics engineer. I have a 2.5 year experience. And about my family, in my family there are 8 members. And about my hobbies, I love dancing. I love dance, and I love playing sports. I love yoga, and I love spending time with my friends. Sorry, and I love reading books, self-help books. Yes, sir. And nowadays I'm started YouTube channel and talking with strangers. Yes, it's all about me.
It's very great, sir. You have given your image is very nice. I'm very happy to hear. Yeah, it's my turn. Shall
Yes,
I
sure.
introduce myself? Yeah, thank you. Yeah, my name is Sangappa. Yeah, I'm connecting you from Bangalore. So right now I'm staying in Bangalore only. So if I
Mhm.
talk about my family, I have 7 members in my family. I, my wife, and I have 3 kids and my parents. So if I talk about my hobbies, I love to watch new channels like NDTV, Republic TV. I love to uh, read newspapers. I
Mhm.
love to watch debates like conversations, YouTube channels, and I love to interact with peoples like YouTubers and co-learners. And if I talk about my strength, I'm a good motivator, a good speaker, and good
Nice.
puncher. Yeah, that's all about me. Thank you so much.
So you
Yeah,
are, looking like a very positive person.
yeah, of course it should be like there.
Yes.
Yeah,
So something, do you want to talk any particular topic or just having conversation?
yeah. Actually, you said that you were a plastic engineering. Can I get something about that?
Okay, sure. So it's plastics engineering. Many people don't know about it. What is plastics engineer? And many
I
places,
support.
whenever okay,
Yes.
sure. When I told, then you also will know. So uh, plastics engineer is basically it's a combination of mechanical engineering and chemical engineering. And in this, course, what we learn like basically plastics engineer divided into 4 categories. Like first category, we can say it's a designing department. Means I think you see the product, final product like chairs, tubs, and all, but you haven't seen polymer in granules forms, right? So
Yes. Yes.
basically 4 parts. Plastics engineering is divided in 4 parts. First, in designing. So what we do in design department, we design a product or mold design, how it will run in the injection molding machine. Okay. And what will be the performance of the product. So, and this design department, we design the product. Then it uh, mold design go to the tool room department. That is the second department. So here what happens, like with the help of CNC, MNC, sorry, HMC and lathe, means with the help of many machines, we we create mold,
Yes.
manufacture mold. Then after manufacturing of mold, it goes to the processing department. That is third department.
Yes.
So what happened in processing department? There is an injection molding machine and different machine. Particular, I'm telling about injection molding machine. So in injection molding machine, what we do, we put the mold in the machine and feed granules of
Yeah.
polymer granules in the hopper, and it, with the help of heat and mold structure, it,
Yes.
it make on one shape, whatever is desired shape according to you. So then it process final product. Then what we do, we just test the product, how it will be perform according to
Yes.
our desires or not. So the fourth department is testing department. So it's all about plastics engineering.
Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah, I'm very thank you so much for your given information. So before this, I had also worked in this department, but I had worked as a metal injection molding. So I have
Okay.
completed diploma in 2004. So
Mhm.
I have selected through a campus intro metal injection molding company. I worked around 2 years in that company. So what you have said,
Oh.
that same procedure I had also made in that factory, but in
Mhm.
that time I had worked as a quality engineer. So, but
Okay.
you said that your plastic injection, but we had working in that company metal injection molding. Like we were producing like ship parts and trigger parts and
Mhm.
JCB parts, lorry trucks parts. So like that, we were producing that company. So up to and after that, I worked around 2 years in the MNC company, like machinery production. I have worked in that
Mhm.
type of company also. So so I have also little experience about that injection molding. And you said that. Yeah, like granules, plastic granules. Yeah, I have seen that. When I was in my college, yeah, we went to tour for a industrial training
Okay.
tour. That time,
Mhm.
so everything, yeah, it was very fantastic. It was very happy to see that the time. Yeah, but
Yes,
the
it's. Mhm.
yeah, please carry on, carry
Yes,
on.
it's a, very quite interesting if you
Yes,
love with machines, and
yeah,
it's a very interesting when you see the granules to the uh, final product.
yes, yes.
Yes.
Only people are watching final product, but before that,
Hmm.
so much operations will be happening. But
Yes,
people they
exactly.
don't know that. Yeah,
Mhm.
yeah. Please, I want to ask you a question. How did you start your English journey? I mean, initially, how much of hurdles did you face?
Yes, exactly. It happens with everyone, every beginners, because
Yeah,
I also completed my schooling from Hindi medium. So what happened when I was, when I go to the college for
yeah,
professional course, every subject was in English language. So it was very difficult to even pass the exams,
yeah,
and
of course.
sorry, in is my school time, I just recall all the words, memorizing the
Yeah,
essay, question and answers to pass the
yeah,
exam. And it was okay, but if only one subject is there, but if there is all subject is English language, so it's quite difficult.
yes,
So it's very difficult for me. It
yeah,
was very difficult. So I started recognizing question answers, but after some time I realized that I should learn English
yes,
language, because if I learn, then it will help my future also, in my future. And
yeah,
when I sometime when I come from college to my PG, I cried how I will learn.
yes,
It was a very worst situation, I can say, because yeah, you know means in front of professors and classmates, it's a, I felt like very, very nervousness, and very, insult. I felt insult,
of course.
because whenever they ask me question, I was just like sitting like a dumb. So
Yes,
it was very worst situation, but it happens like, gradually I learned gradually. Like I was reading every day books and watching videos, and it happens. And in that time, at the time of last year,
Yeah.
actually, it was the time of campus selection.
Yes. Yes.
Sorry, it was the time of campus selection for interviews. So many companies came there, and like they were selecting person who know better English, who
Yes. Of
are
course.
fluent. So anyhow, I felt that time that means anyhow I have to learn English. Otherwise, I can't get any job.
Yes.
So I started, and with the help of my friends, I improved. Like every day we were talking in Zoom meeting at least 2 hours, and that time I reduced my hesitation. Just because of that meetings, I felt more confident, and it's I grow my English, and so
Yeah.
nowadays I'm speaking.
Yeah.
But
Very good.
nowadays I started again improving my fluency, and
Yeah.
in front of camera how to react, because I want to explore myself and I want to teach my juniors. So that's why I'm again started working on it.
Yes. Of
Yes,
course.
yes.
The learning is not end process. It will be up to our life
Hmm.
end. So
Yes.
it is not our language. Our native language is different. If you want to
Hmm.
learn something, we have to face a lot of hurdles. I mean, we have
Yes.
to face a lot of problems. Because of we are it is a our native language is a difference. We are learning our schooling and colleging uh,
Hmm.
in native language only. When we are going to joining a higher education, that time only we are facing that problems. Before that, we are not understanding it's very necessary or not. So our intention was only has to finish that time. Once we complete our graduation, that time we will realizing, wow, is it really necessary? Actually, we had to learn that, but we didn't learn. So yeah, yeah, whatever it may be, we have to learn something, we have to achieve, and we have to learn, and then only we can we will elevate. Otherwise we will not elevate. So we
Hmm.
have to learn, we have to achieve something. Yes. Yeah, one more question. How was your I think how long have you taken to learn this?
Okay. So basically, for speaking, if I tell. So it's around when I think 2 3 months for to get more confident. But around, if all fundamentals if you see, then it's around 1 year it takes. Yes.
Any applications that did you use for that, like Skype and
No.
other applications and tricks?
Last time I was using Josh Talk app
Yeah.
to talk with stranger, or to get friends who will talk, with whom I can practice before Skype. Because in Skype, as compared to Josh Talk, Skype is wonderful app because we can connect video call
Yes.
easily, and Josh Talk we can connect only audio mode, and it's quite easy to talk in audio mode. But when point come to the video mode, it's quite difficult as compared to video audio mode.
Yes.
And I believe that if we talk in video mode, we improve very rapidly,
Yes.
because when we see the person who is seated in front of us, so we feel more confident, right?
Yes.
Yes.
Without audio, if you are talking with audio, you will not get so much of boost. I mean, confidence of
Mm,
skill, speaking confidence. Whenever you are in front of the camera or in front of other person, you will get some fear. So we have to, if
yes.
we want to overcome from fear, we have to practice more. Definitely
Mhm,
use this videos and video call only. Then only we'll overcome from the fairness, and we'll reduce hesitation, and we can build our boost confidence. Yeah,
mhm.
it's this platform is very useful for beginners, or if I want to learn fluency, we can use this. It's better to it's a better platform, I think so. Yes.
Yes,
Have
yes.
you?
And it's free of cost. So it's more good
Yeah.
for everyone.
Yeah. Yes.
Yes.
Yeah. Have you any questions for me?
Question, sir. You are, I think, you told you are in Bangalore, right?
Yes. Yes.
So what do you do in Bangalore?
Yeah, I am working in a government job.
Oh, nice.
Yeah.
You are a government employee. So which kind of work you do?
Yeah, I'm working in a RTC department. So I
Mhm.
am maintaining some vehicle maintenance. Yeah, that's all I can say.
Okay.
Yeah.
Mhm.
Yeah, apart from this,
Sir, what?
yes, yes.
Yes, yes, yes. Continue, continue. Then I will
Yeah,
ask.
actually, I have more curiosity to learn this language. Actually, I have more passionate on this language. So that's what I have started
Mhm.
this language. Initially, I have also faced a lot of
Nice,
problems because my schooling
nice.
and up to SLC, it was a
Mhm.
like a very I think very hard. I didn't know anything about this language. So just as per of our schooling, it was a one subject. Just I passed like that only. After when I joined a diploma, so that time I have faced a lot of problems. In the diploma, 13 subject per year. So when I was in the SSLC, I was reading only one subject as a English. When I went to diploma, I have that time I had to read 13 subjects. I was very horrible that time. You know, that's what I went to coaching center for 2 months. Then I learned something from that and how to convert into this native language to this language. Yeah, as a party, you told that like that only I have faced some problems and just I have learned how to give the answer, how to write it. That's all. So just
Mhm.
that time I learned how to write and how to answer the questions. So after once when I entered to the companies or factories, that time I have also faced a lot of problems because Bangalore is in a ITBT city. Every peoples are speaking English, and
Mhm.
not more literature people also speaking English. Without speaking English here, we are not able to survive in the Bangalore because most of the people are speaking English only. Then only we can survive in this type of cities like a metropolitan cities like Mumbai, Hyderabad, and
Mhm.
Delhi, Bangalore. So
That.
when I joined my around 2004, I joined a factory. I also faced a lot of
Mhm.
problems to speak with the different people. Yeah, then sometimes
Mhm.
I had to give intro. That time also, I was very nervous and I was very hesitating that time because I didn't know how to speak this. So some after days, I learned a little bit, and yeah, as of now, that around 6 years I worked there, and I used to speak something that time. When I joined government job, I left it there itself. So nowadays I have more passionate to learn this language. Now it's been 2 months. I have started once again. So now I have to. I hope that I have to learn that uh, as
Sure,
much
sure.
as possible. I have to get accuracy. I have to get fluency in this language. So because it's very necessary, it is a global language. Everyone is speaking. If I want to connect
Mm.
other state people, some other countries people, this language is very necessary. Because right now you are from other city, I am other side. So I don't know your language. You don't know our language. So it is an
Yes.
accessing language. So that's why this type of this language is very necessary. We have to learn this and we have to grow in this language. Yeah,
Mhm.
yeah,
So, sir, I would like to know about your age because
yeah.
yes, please
Yes,
tell me your age, sir, then I will speak.
I am 40 years old.
40.
Yes, 40.
Yes, many people after get government job and after some time means like your age, they don't want to improve themselves. But you
Yes,
are doing that's amazing. That's
Yeah,
great.
for the future of my kids purpose, and sometimes we
Mhm,
have to go other cities like Delhi, Mumbai. Our kids has to join somewhere, enroll somewhere cities. So that time
mhm,
we will face the problem. So avoiding that before only we can learn this. We have to if I learn, I can go anywhere in India or
mhm.
other cities also.
Exactly.
That's yeah, that's what I am learning this language. Because
Right.
I know only Kannada. This is my mother tongue. So apart from this, I have to learn at least 2 to 3 languages. If we survive in big cities, at least we have to speak 2 to 3 languages. Yeah,
Mhm. Nice, sir. Nice. So, any sir, like aim, any aim means what is your purpose?
yeah. My aim is to, because already I have 40 years old. I don't have any aim. I just my motive is to learn this language, get accuracy, get fluency. Whatever I learn, I can uh, teach to my kids. That's all. I have to
Okay.
grow my kids as much as possible. I have to
Mhm.
elevate my kids as much as possible. That is my motive, main motive.
Nice, sir. Nice. So, if you are particular from Bangalore or from another
Yeah,
place,
yeah. I am belong to Bagalkot district.
or means state, which state?
Currently, currently I'm staying in Karnataka state. So Bangalore is the capital
Okay.
city of Karnataka. So I belongs to
Mhm.
Bagalkot district, which is
Okay.
belongs to Karnataka only. Yeah.
Okay, sir. So, I would like to know about Karnataka, please, because I haven't visited Karnataka.
Okay.
So,
Okay. Uh,
yes.
Karnataka is a more uh, peaceful city, and if you speak about like a weather is very nice, and not so much of heat also, and people are surviving very peacefully here. And in this
Mhm.
Karnataka, so many historical places are there, like Badami, Pattadakallu, Aibale, Kudala Sangama, and Bijapur, Gol Gumbaz. I think we have heard some places, and so many historical places and so many dams are there in Karnataka. So Bangalore is the main city in the Karnataka. Here ITBT software. Most of the factories are in the Bangalore only. So you from North Indians also living in this city, because uh, for they are liking weather condition and
Mhm.
peaceful peaceful city. This is the peaceful city. Yeah.
Okay. So, one of my friend is also from Bangalore,
Yeah.
and we met in online classes, means
Okay.
for design purpose.
Yeah.
And but I want to visit, Karnataka once.
Yeah. Definitely we will visit.
So,
Yeah. So many places are there for visiting. Yeah. Very nice.
mhm.
Bangalore is a very nice city.
So
Yeah.
what is the famous food of Karnataka?
Yeah, here we have 28, 30 districts have. So many, so much of districts have separate, like a different types of foods, like North
Okay.
Karnataka and South Karnataka. So
Mhm.
North Karnatakans are using a jolada roti and chapati like that. So South Karnataka people are using a ragi ball. Have you seen that ragi ball? Yeah.
No, no, sir.
South Karnaticans are using ragi ball, and North Karnataka people
Mhm.
are using much more jolad roti. This is a special food here. If you
You
visit,
are speaking like very rapidly. I couldn't get what you have said the terms.
if you visit, there is a temple, famous temple is there over North Karnataka, like Banasankari. Uh, s- the people
Okay.
are the people are selling jolad roti. This is the special food for that in that place.
Okay. Okay. When
Yeah.
you are telling, I'm very curious to go Karnataka visit.
Definitely, you have to come and visit here.
Sure, sure,
Yeah,
sure.
yeah.
Yes, sir.
Um, yeah. What type foods are you are using in your cities?
In our cities, rice is main food. Rice
Yeah,
is, and uh, you know,
rice is
mm,
a common anywhere nowadays.
yes, but Chhattisgarh is known as, like in Hindi, dhan ka katora. People says it means Chhattisgarh known as dhan ka katora, and we grow too much rice here, and means mostly three times we eat rice:
Yes.
morning, afternoon, and night. At night.
The peoples are thinking like if you are using the rice, the sugar content will be more, no?
Yes,
Even the
but it's our habit. When we do not eat rice, we can't sleep. When I went somewhere, I forgot that place, and I ate chapatis at night, and I was unable to sleep.
yeah,
After a long time, I sleep, but it was very difficult to sleep. So
this is a
even if, yes, at least we should eat this much rice,
yes,
then we feel good.
yes. So we are also using rice, but the main food is
Mhm.
North Karnataka are using jolada roti, and South Karnataka
Okay.
people are using ragi. Yeah, but everyone are using rice is common thing in North Karnataka
Okay.
as well as in South Karnataka. Yeah,
Mhm. Nice. In summer, basically, we eat, means prior we were eating, not nowadays, because
yes,
people are not eating, like, it's called basi in Chhattisgarhi language. We use
yes.
Chhattisgarhi in our state, basically. So basi, we said, like rice, at night, uh, like rice left at night. So we just, pour into water for whole
Yes,
night, then we just eat at morning.
like that only. Just yeah, uh,
Water.
immersing in the water, and morning we
Yes.
have to remove that water. Just eat.
No, without water we eat and drink the water.
Yeah, is it digest?
Yes.
Oh, very nice. We haven't tried like that. Yes,
Sure, sure. But yeah, we do in summer, only summer, not every seasons. Just try, it will, then tell me when you will eat. Tell me how it was, how
okay,
it
okay,
is. Okay.
okay. Yeah,
Sure.
yeah. Could you
So
wind
anything
up?
else, sir?
Yeah,
Yes, yes, sir. Okay.
yeah. Because time is over.
Okay.
Yeah, we can meet another session. Yeah, definitely.
Yes, sir, sure, sure. It was wonderful session with you. Thank you so
Yeah,
much for your time, valuable time.
yeah.
Bye
Same here.
bye.
Same. Thank you. Bye.
Yes. Bye.